apply the product rule for exponents. Here's the product rule right here. You have a to the m power. A is the base, m is the exponent. So a to the n power times a to the n power. You can write that with one base and add the exponents. This is if you have m a's and n a's, then you have m plus n a's. That is the product rule. We're going to apply the product rule to these four problems. Let's look at this first one. We have 2 cubed times 2 to the 4th. So this means I have 3 2's multiplied together and 4 2's multiplied together. So I have a total of 7 2's being multiplied together. So you can apply the product rule. Since the bases are the same, you have to keep that in mind. The bases have to be the same. Then you can write it with one base and add the exponents. So this is the same as 2 to the 7th power. If the problem wants you to, multiply that out, you can use a calculator. You can do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 7 times, or if your calculator can do 2 to the 7th power, you should get 128. Let's look at this one. We have x to the 4th power times x to the 5th power. So this x in the middle has a power of 1. The 1's invisible, but it's understood that the exponent is 1. So applying the product rule here, the bases are all the same. So we're going to take all the exponents and add them all together. 4 plus 1 plus 5. That gives you 10. So this comes out to x to the 10th power. This third one, we have p cubed times q squared. Now this one, the bases are not the same. So the product rule does not apply in this situation. Does not apply. This one's considered already simplified. So you can't really do anything else with this. So we're just going to write that as p cubed times q squared. It's already simplified. And the last one here, we have 4y squared in parentheses times negative 3y to the 5th in parentheses. This is all straight multiplication. Multiplication is commutative, which means it doesn't matter the order that you multiply these in. So you can multiply the 4 and the negative 3 together and the y squared and the y to the 5th together. You can rearrange it like that. So 4 times negative 3 gives you negative 12. And y squared times y to the 5th. They're the same bases, so you just add the exponents. 2 plus 5 is 7. So you get negative 12 y to the 7th power. There you go.